We are back with another video of Rowkin wireless headphones. Now, we didn't have the greatest experience with the last ones we did, but we're hoping that these ones will do better.
Yeah, and the last ones we did were like truly wireless. They had no wires at all. This one is wired. It has one wire connecting the two headphones.
I'm kind of hoping that wire would be an advantage as the truly wireless ones before. They were too small. Maybe they were trying to jam too much into it to really be truly sound good.
Honestly, for me, like having a wire between them might be better because I've had problems with the other ones where you'd be walking or, you know, I go on jogs and stuff and they'll cut out. One ear will cut out and then, you know, you lose your music and stuff. But they are only $20. And we will have the link down below so you can check them out and see what we're talking about. Yeah.
Now, my issue is people always talk to me when I first got wireless headphones. They go, "Aren't you scared of losing one?" Because I got the AirPods. I go, "No, I'll never lose one. How could you ever lose a headphone? That's not possible." Turns out a month later, I lost one. So the wire could prevent that from happening, which is very nice.
Yeah. So on the back here, you know, it shows we got Bluetooth version 4.1. They'll last about 4 hours if you're listening to music and talking, you know, on it all the time. And they also have a noise reduction and echo canceling for when you're, you know, talking and stuff. So let's go ahead and bust this thing open and
get this
see
guy
what
open.
we got.
Where'd that knife go? Here we go.
Guess we're gonna need this one.
Yes, we are. Let's see, slice those open. Don't cut my finger. Okay. That off. Plastic, cardboard box.
See what they look like. What do we get this time?
Does it come out?
Nope.
It does not just slide on out.
They do not make that easy.
Okay, look what we got here. First, we pull this tab. It looks like I'm doing that right.
This looks exactly like the other ones did.
Oh, it does, doesn't it?
The box setup is exactly the same. You had your headphones and the accessories.
Yeah, that is the same way. That's funny.
You get a lot of different multicolored like little ear things.
You get blue, red, black, and oh, so there's nothing on here yet. Oh,
no, there's ones on there.
I feel like there's something rattling around in here. Is something else in here? There is.
More little earbuds.
Whoa. One earbud in here. I thought it would come off. That's weird. You get a spare black earbud in case you lose one.
So you get blue, black, and pink. Extra colors if you want. That's actually kind of really cool.
And it comes with all the sizes for each color.
So you can really make these how you want them. Any color you want.
Yeah, it's totally customizable. It's just awesome.
I wonder where's that black? Maybe that was one here, no?
No, medium. That's a medium. We got an extra medium.
We're actually missing one.
No, they're on here.
Oh, okay, I see.
It came with an extra one.
Oh, wow.
Weird. What are those? What do you do with this?
Oh, maybe you put them on right here and they help stay in your ear.
Let's find out. Definitely goes around here. Oh, that's too far, Mike. Don't do that. Well, there it's on. I'm still not sure what that tab is for. That is weird. Well, like we said, it comes with a variety of colors. It's awesome. It got some controls here for volume up and down, and they're physical buttons. It's very nice.
Oh yeah.
You can physically press up and down.
Yeah.
Actual click. And it's got a click button here for Bluetooth pairing and maybe activating Siri or whatnot. The other side does not have any buttons whatsoever, no controls.
Not even that one?
No, not even that one.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And there has to be a way to charge these. Here it is.
Oh, whoa.
USB, micro USB right in there. Wow, it's really hidden.
That's
How do they
cool,
fit all that in there?
Yeah, that's crazy.
That's amazing. We have to test out how these sound.
All right, so let's get these things paired up.
These are on. You see a light flash.
Oh yeah, there we go. Kind of discreet light. I actually really like this like texture and stuff of it.
It's sleek. It's good looking.
It's like a matte black.
Yeah, they're stylish. I think they're pretty stylish. All
right, so let's see. I'm holding this button. Oh, let's hold it for 10 seconds. See if it says anything. Oh, there went doo-doo. Out of our many Bluetooth devices connected here at Unbox Authority. Let's try to find these ones.
We are pushing the limits of connected Bluetooth devices on the iPhone.
Yeah, we'll eventually find out how many you can have paired. The Rowkin Pulse B. Connected. You want to give it a shot first?
Let's give these a shot. Ooh.
What do they feel like in there?
They're definitely in there, but the one with the buttons have this weird noise.
Like something's
I think
loose?
I played the music.
Oh. You can control the volume one himself, huh? Yeah, there we go. Look at that.
Wow, all the controls work.
How does it sound?
I think it sounds a lot better than those last ones.
Yeah? No,
Yeah.
like something loose in there or anything?
No, it doesn't. So far, it doesn't sound that way. Except when you put that one in, you'll hear the crackling I'm talking about. Only when you move it.
Oh.
Yeah, you hear that?
Yeah, it's almost like I'm clicking a button.
Yeah, it's almost like you're clicking a button. It's so weird.
Alright, let's play this. Oh yeah,
I mean, these sound too good. I almost want to try another song.
much better.
Let's try something else that has singing in it, because I still can't believe it.
All right.
Ooh. Wow. The bass is sounding really good. And those highs are sounding really good. No crackling. None.
Let me give it a shot.
Oh my gosh, you gotta hear that. It actually sounds really good. The only problem I will say is they sound a little quiet.
A little quiet, huh?
Yeah, they sound a little quiet.
We've been putting these on wrong too. We should be putting the wire behind her head.
I'm not used to the wire.
Well, that is so weird. That clicking noise. Something.
That is
something
weird.
funky going on
Yeah,
there.
something funky there.
Wow.
Is that not sounding good?
Uh,
I mean,
it
sounds perfect.
So much better. Yeah.
yeah, it sounds so much better than those other ones.
The Rowkin, the BitCharge wireless stereo ones were nothing compared to this.
It's very crackly,
Yeah.
not very good. And those cost well over $100. These are only $20 headphones.
$20, yeah.
$20 headphones.
For-
I don't understand.
For wireless, besides the wire, connecting the two of them, it's an amazing price for what
That
they
is
are.
an amazing
Yeah.
price. I spent $20 on fully wired headphones back in high school.
Yeah.
Many times.
And you can make phone calls with these too.
Yeah, let's try that out. I'm just chilling on my phone here. Oh look, Tyler's calling me. Hey Tyler, what's up?
Hi.
What you doing, man?
Oh, I'm sitting here and recording some videos with my buddy.
Oh, good, cool. All right, sounds good.
I can hear you very well.
Can you? That's good. I can
Yeah.
hear you perfectly. What are you talking on?
I'm talking on some Rowkin headphones here.
Okay, cool. Sounds good. It's weird that I can hear myself when I talk, but that's all good.
Yeah, there's that double echo going on.
That sounds pretty good.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm really surprised with these. They work very well, and at that $20 point, it's like,
Yeah.
why not?
I mean, here's the deal. They work exactly how they're supposed to. They're only $20. They're wireless. They took 2 seconds to connect to Bluetooth. They connected. They worked. You push the button and it works. Volume up and down works.
There's one thing actually.
What's that?
You don't have to worry about connecting one headphone to the other headphone.
Yes.
Also,
that is
yeah.
huge. When we do those wireless ones,
And these say left and right on them, so you know what ear to put them in too.
Isn't that a concept?
Yeah,
Putting
yeah.
left and right on a headphone.
Yeah, I think the only thing I actually want to try real fast is check the video, because that's one, for
That's
me,
true.
it's one of the big things.
You could have that Bluetooth lag. And I will say, I do wish they were louder. They do seem a little quiet for me.
Yeah, they are not the loudest things
Yeah.
out there. That's for sure.
And if you're like me, you like super loud music, probably not the best idea to get these. But if you're like most people and you just listen to normal levels of music without damaging your hearing, this is perfect.
Yeah. All right, so we got a video playing. See if it's synced up. No.
No, you get the lag.
Lips are off.
Oh, that is very unfortunate. I mean, I don't know if I've really tested much Bluetooth headphones besides Apple and some other high-end ones that don't have the lag. If I was looking for a set of Bluetooth headphones, if I didn't already have some, and I realized that the ones I got or the ones I want to get have lag during video watch, that I couldn't buy them because all the time I want to sit there, lay and watch some Family Guy or something, you know? It's like you want to lay there and watch some shows, some movies. And if it's got the lag, it's unwatchable at that point. I like these way better than those other Rokins we tested out. Even though they had the battery case, they're truly wireless. Honestly, I can sacrifice. It's totally worth it, especially with the way cheaper price. You get way better audio quality, and they work exactly how they're supposed to. You're not fighting them the whole time. It's almost like they're just trying to find their way with the truly wireless headphones as of right now. Here with the wire and all that, I think it's perfect. It works just fine. They're cheap, and they couldn't be better for what they are.
Yeah, but you know, I see these as more like, hey, I'm gonna go running. I want to exercise. You know, you can spend $20 on them. They work really well for that. You can listen to music. You can make your phone call.
They work good for athletic purposes, working out, and you listen to your music, phone call, and that's probably about all you would use these for.
Yeah, for me, because I'd rather have an over-the-ear, you know, full immersed experience when I'm watching a show, especially like with those Skull Candy Crusher ones we did, because those things sound amazing watching a show. I don't know if we went over that, but they are amazing.
And you just feel that bass.
The bass with those, man. Oh my gosh, they're for watching a show, it's like you're sitting in a movie theater almost. You know, it's just vibrating on your ears. It's crazy. You do have to turn the bass down a little bit, but they're amazing. So if you're gonna be like exercising, you know, running around, doing all that kind of stuff, and you don't want to have an expensive pair of headphones that you're worried about damaging, I would say these would definitely work very good for that. You know, we'll have the link down in the description if you want to check them out and see if they'd work for you. Let us know if you have any other kind of headphones like this, any kind of budget headphones that you think sound really good. Let us know. We'll check them out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.